Welcome to AI Jumble. Today, we're diving into the world of Ceeya. Provides a platform dedicated to freelancers. Its platform enables businesses to build a high-conversion website, create webinars, classes, and workshops, set up 1:1 sessions, and build their audience. Unlock the potential of AI-generated content cards on Ceeya with the following features. AI-generated insights that educate and enlighten your audience. Offer valuable services to your audience and monetize your expertise. Streamline bookings, grow email subscriptions, and boost interactions. Personalize and stylize them to match your unique brand like never before. Elevate your brand with Ceeya's cutting-edge AI technology. Here are some of their styles. Lego style. Lego represents exploration and the power of imagination, appealing to people of all ages. Nike style. The Nike brand embodies inspiration and determination. It evokes a sense of motivation and pushing beyond limits. Studio Ghibli style. Unleash your imagination and embark on a whimsical journey through captivating storytelling, breathtaking visuals, and unforgettable characters. Let's explore the pricing. Basic plan at $14.99 per month, Pro plan at $29.99 per month, and Empower plan at $69.99 per month. Discover the power of personal branding with Ceeya. Whether you're a freelancer, solopreneur, or a talented individual, standing out in the crowd is essential. Join Ceeya and unleash your true potential today. To learn more about their product offerings, visit their website with the link given in the description. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone looking to get listed on AI Jumble. And we are more than just a channel. We've created a vibrant community of AI enthusiasts, developers, researchers, and industry professionals like you. By subscribing, you become a part of this dynamic community where you can exchange ideas, share insights, and collaborate on AI projects.